Hey coders, welcome to my channel, where we turn code into creativity, one line at a time. In this video, we'll cover the basic structure of an HTML document, what HTML elements are, and how to use heading tags. Let's get started. 1. Basic structure. Every HTML page follows a basic structure. Let me show you a simple example. Let's go to the editor and check it out. Two. HTML elements. An HTML element consists of a start tag, some content, and an end tag. Heading tags HTML provides 6 levels of headings. H1 is largest size heading and H6 is smallest size heading. Let's go to the editor and check it out. And that's it for this video. We covered the basic HTML structure, elements, and heading tags. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into other essential HTML concepts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you next time.